In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see order history in Microsoft Rewards. Even if you're just getting started, I'll walk you through each click so you feel confident making this change. First, open Microsoft Access. Once it's running, open the database file you want to work with. If this database is shared or important to your team, it's a good habit to make a quick backup before editing its design. That way, you can always roll back if something doesn't look right later. Next, locate the table that stores your amounts or prices. You'll want to switch from the regular spreadsheet style view to the design view so you can adjust how the fields behave. To do that, go to the list of tables, right-click the table you're updating, and choose Design View. Design View is where you define what each field is, how it stores data, and how that data should appear. Now select the field that contains money values, such as price, total, or amount. With that field highlighted, look for the data type setting and change it to currency. Choosing the currency data type is important because it handles money values more precisely than a generic number field. It helps prevent rounding surprises and keeps calculations consistent across your forms, queries, and reports. With the field still selected, look down to the Properties pane at the bottom and find the Format property. Here you can decide how the value should be displayed. If you choose currency, Access will automatically use your computer's regional settings to apply the correct symbol, thousand separators, and decimal places. That means if your system is set to a specific country or region, the symbol and style will match it automatically. If your organization uses a specific display style and you already have a custom format defined for that, you can select it here instead. Otherwise, sticking with currency is the safest and simplest option. When you're done, save the table to commit your changes. If Access asks whether to save the design, choose yes. A quick tip, after saving, you can return to the regular datasheet view to spot check a few records and confirm the amounts look the way you expect. If numbers appear cut off, try widening the column so the full value and symbol are visible. That's it. You opened your database, switched the table to Design View, set the field to the currency data type, chose the format, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.